Lesson number 3. Learning Spanish with AI.
Hola amigos y amigas. In this video, we'll be exploring 30 essential romantic Spanish phrases that are sure to make your loved one feel special and loved. Today, I am here with Willow and Santiago discussing this topic. Hi, Willow and Santiago. Have you guys heard the song Amor Eterno by Juan Gabriel? It's so romantic.
Hi Jada, great to see you. Yes, you are right, it's beautiful. But you don't need music to feel the passion of the Spanish language.
Hi Jada and Willow, nice to see both of you. There's something about the way Spanish words roll off the tongue that just makes everything sound more romantic. The accent, the rhythm, it's also captivating.
I totally agree. Okay, Santiago. Let us begin with our 30 romantic Spanish phrases. 1. You are the love of my life. 2. I can't imagine my life without you. 3. I love you more than anything in this world. 4. You are the reason I wake up every morning. 5. You are my everything.
1. Eres el amor de mi vida. 2. No puedo imaginar mi vida sin ti. 3. Te amo más que nada en este mundo. 4. Eres la razón por la que me despierto cada mañana. 5. Eres mi todo.
6. You are the sun that brightens my day. 7. No matter the distance, my love for you will always be present. 8. Your smile makes me happy. 9. You make me feel alive. 10. I love you with all my heart.
6. Eres el sol que ilumina mi día. 7. No importa la distancia, mi amor por ti siempre estará presente. 8. Tu sonrisa me hace feliz. 9. Me hace sentir vivo. Me hace sentir viva. 10. Te quiero con todo mi corazón.
11. You are my soulmate. 12. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. 13. I love being with you. 14. You are perfect for me. 15. You are always on my mind.
11. Eres mi alma gemela. 12. Quiero pasar el resto de mi vida contigo. 13. Me encanta estar contigo. 14. Eres perfecto para mí. Eres perfecta para mí. 15. Siempre estás en mi mente.
16. You make me feel special. 17. I want to make you happy for the rest of my life. 18. You are my princess, my prince. 19. I love the way you are. 20. You are the best gift life has given me.
16. Me hace sentir especial. 17. Quiero hacerte feliz por el resto de mi vida. 18. Eres mi princesa. Eres mi príncipe. 19. Me encanta como eres. 20. Eres el mejor regalo que la vida me ha dado.
21. You make me feel secure. 22. You are my eternal love. 23. I can't resist you. 24. You are my confidant. 25. I never get tired of looking at you.
21. Me hace sentir seguro. Me hace sentir segura. 22. Eres mi amor eterno. 23. No puedo resistirme a ti. 24. Eres mi confidente. 25. No me canso de mirarte.
26. Your love is the most important thing in my life. 27. I want you to be part of my future. 28. You are the most special person in my life. 29. You make me feel complete. 30. You are the best life partner.
26. Tu amor es lo más importante en mi vida. 27. Quiero que seas parte de mi futuro. 28. Eres la persona más especial en mi vida. 29. Me hace sentir completo. Me hace sentir completa. 30. Eres el mejor compañero de vida. Eres la mejor compañera de vida.
As a bonus, we will look at the verb to love in Spanish. Love is an essential part of human experience, and it's no different in the Spanish language. The verb amar, which means to love, is a fundamental verb in the Spanish language, and it's used in a variety of contexts. As with any other verb, amar is conjugated into different tenses, including the present, preterite, imperfect, conditional, and future tenses. The present tense is used to describe actions that are happening in the moment, while the preterite tense is used to describe actions that have already occurred in the past. The imperfect tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing or repeated in the past, while the conditional tense is used to describe hypothetical or imaginary situations. Finally, the future tense is used to describe actions that will happen in the future. This table presents the various conjugations of amar in different tenses, allowing you to express your love in any situation. Santiago will go through the present tense. Take it away, Santiago.
Gracias, Jada. Verbo, amor. Tiempo presente. 1. Yo amo. 2. Tú amas. 3. Él ama. Ella ama. Usted ama. 4. Nosotros amamos. Nosotras amamos. 5. Vosotros amáis. Vosotras amáis. 6. Ellos aman. Ellas aman. Ustedes aman.
Thank you all for tuning in and joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. We appreciate your support and engagement, and we look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.